Good morning. How are you doing? I hope everybody's fine. We're doing very good around here. Okay. And well, another day here with you. Miss you a lot. Okay. And remember it was Mother's Day this last Sunday, so I hope you've been very good with mommy and give it lots of kisses and hugs. Okay. Well, we're going to start with Unit 10. We're going to continue with Unit 10, sorry. All right. And here we have a new vocabulary for you guys to go through. All right. We're going to be doing the ng at the end of each word. And we're going to do the do you like, yes I do, or no I don't. All right. I'll give you some examples. Okay. Now we're going to do with the phonics. For example, we have king, in king, sing, in sing, morning, in morning. The king sings in the morning. Okay? Oh, it's very simple. You can do it at home, remember. All right? Now we're going to read this part here. Okay? You're supposed to be asking your friend, but you can ask somebody in the house. You can ask your mom, dad, your brother, sister, whoever. Okay? You never know. They're probably asking you in English. Okay? You have a great time. All right? For example, here's basketball. Do you like reading? Do you like fishing? Do you like playing tennis? Do you like painting? What's your favorite hobby? Here's the little boy saying, do you like playing basketball? And the little girl says, no, I don't. All right. Okay, I'm going to move this over here so we can read this little tale here, little story. Okay. So here's what Monty says. What a great game of soccer. Yes. What a great goal. Here, Monty says, number 18 is kicking the ball. Now, number 15 is hitting the ball with his head. Down here, Masked Man says, ouch, my hands. And Marie comes over. No, Masked Man, you can't touch the ball with your hands. Here Monty says, now number 15 is running with the ball. Marie runs and says, Trevor, are you eating the ball? And Trevor says, no, I'm not. Maskman says, come and play football with us, Marie. And she says, oh no, boys, I love reading about soccer, but I don't like playing it. Well, it's a fun story. We all love playing soccer a bit. Okay, now let's go to the activity book. Okay, I'm showing this one. You guys have exactly the same thing, but in this case, I can write down, or I can put down the listening. Okay, and we're gonna do this listening here together. All right, I'm gonna repeat it twice. Okay, now listen and tick or cross. Remember, we put a tick because it's true or because I like it, and a cross because I don't like it. Okay? Okay, number one. She likes carrots, ice cream, and cake. She likes carrots, ice cream, and cake. Okay? Number two. He doesn't like photos or riding bikes. He likes swimming. Okay, one more time. Number two. He doesn't like photos or riding bikes. He likes swimming. Number three. He likes hockey. He doesn't like table tennis or badminton. Number three, one more time. He likes hockey, table tennis, or badminton. And number four, she likes painting and reading. She doesn't like playing guitar. Okay, one more time. She likes painting and reading. She doesn't like playing guitar. Okay, very simple, no? All right. Okay, very fast. One more time. Number one, she likes carrots, ice cream, and cake. Number two, he doesn't like photos or riding bikes. He likes swimming. Number three, he likes hockey or badminton. Number four, she likes painting and reading. She doesn't like playing guitar. Okay, exercise here. Okay, remember the pages 72, 73. Okay, you have it in your book, exactly the same thing. Those books that I sent you. Okay, and remember, if you want the listening, you have the listening too. But I wanted to do the listening with you guys. Okay, so you remember my voice, the way I pronounce. All right. Now, number six, draw and write about you. This is all about you, okay? We're going to talk about you. Okay, for example, my name's, and what's your name? I don't know. You have to write it down here. I'm, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 years old. 8 years old, I don't know, maybe. Okay. My hair is, could be dark, could be brown, could be blonde. Okay. Blonde, remember blonde? Blonde. Blonde. Okay. That's not yellow, blonde. Okay. Brown or dark. Okay. My eyes are, I don't know, brown, green, blue. My favorite toy is, I don't know, maybe a ball. I like, let's see, I like chocolate ice cream. No, strawberry ice cream. I love strawberry ice cream. Okay. I don't like, I don't know, a sandwich of chocolate. No, I don't like that. I love, mm, I love a nice sandwich of ham and cheese. I love it too. My favorite hobby is, well, to me, my favorite hobby is mountain bike. I don't know which one is yours. Okay, tell me, please write it down. Okay, now here, let's move this over here. Okay, more, a little more. All right, look and read. Write yes or no over this picture. For example, two boys are playing hockey. Right here, yes. Oh, look, right here we put yes. Okay. A girl is playing tennis. No, no, this is badminton, remember. Okay, there's no tennis here. Okay, so here you have a boy is wearing a black t-shirt. Two boys are playing table tennis. A tall girl is playing basketball. The boy under the tree is playing the guitar. Remember, under. Okay. And the last one, number 5, a girl in a white shirt is playing band. White? I don't know. Okay, well, check it out. All right. And very simple exercises. Okay. I'll send it to you too on Word. All right, so you can write it down on Word too, and I'll send you to the last answers or the last exercise that I send you guys. Well, have fun. Miss you a lot, like I said. Love you guys a lot, and remember, stay home. Now you can go for a walk for only for an hour, but at least something is something. Okay. And have a great day. Okay. Love you guys. Love and kisses. See you later. Be good and help mom and dad. See you soon. Bye.